Alright, now it seems as if PCJ leading right now, you know. So yo, go on PCJ, let me start cheering for now, you know. Try the NHT, them now win. So right now it's all about our brand new music video we have popping this week. And stick with us right here to find out which new joints we have. Right here on Pree Dis. Pree Dis.
Watch out, y'all!
You see that?
Menke, gal. Why make we turn in a Menke? See the have my pay your friend there. Come over, yes, I make we turn in a Menke, gal. Why make we turn in a Menke? See wow, have my pay your friend there. Come over, yes, I make we turn in a Menke. And a 1, 2, Nachi, Auntie Lulu. That she told something there, so we call your stuff. No one melt your butt eye. What's the know you right? Take me drill, take up on the hill, fill her with. Cause she knows some skill and well talented. And me are the Menke master. Menke, gal. Why make we turn in a Menke? See Billy have my pay a friend there. Come over, yes, I make we turn in a Menke, gal. Why make we turn in a Menke? Wow, have my pay a friend there. Come over, yes, hey, gal. Why go do?
Me I said you can't boil me up. Me I said you can't curry me up. Me I said you can't stew me up. You see me? Me no afraid of, no go thief, no do thief farmer. Go for your machete, go for your cleaver. Go for your, go for your, go for your, come cut me no, try make me mutton up, come cut me no, try make me mutton up, come cut me no, try do me something up, come cut me no, try make me mutton up, come cut me no, try make me mutton up, come cut me no, me are the baddest goat. Say something, make your last catch me. Me buck out your teeth if you test me. You know, go kill me like the crown named Bessie. Me a go to Babylon, can't arrest me.
Alright, sometimes you know we get or you could change face bill, you know, like the month. We don't understand what I go and say. But guess what now? From light bill to fuel saving tip, because it's now our fuel saving tip of the week, so listen up. You know nowadays that fuel is so expensive and taking a toll on our pockets. We really do need some advice on how to save money. So listen up right here on Pree Dis. Pree Dis.
This fuel saving tip is brought to you by QNS Enterprise Total Harborview Shopping Center. Get your vehicle serviced regularly so as to get any glitches sorted out while they're still small and have not begun to affect your fuel consumption for any extended period of time. This fuel saving tip was brought to you by QNS Enterprise Total Harborview Shopping Center.
We soon come back and we still have a lot more Pree Dis right here. Now grab a water bottle, you know, so forward.